And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, just one day before the end of the year, the government has fulfilled its promise to launch the Spark program.
The first phase of the project began today in Harbour Heights, East Kingston.
However, as Kalisha Williams reports, it comes amidst mounting concern about the poor condition of main roads such as the Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew.
Christmas may be over, but the government is sparking hope and joy in Harbour Heights, St. Andrew.
And we really are happy to see that the road is being worked on. There are several other roads that really needs assistance, but we are happy for this one.
After 3 decades, this resident, Veronica McLeish, is seeing the road in the community repaired for the first time. The roadway, or what's left of it, is the first element of the government's shared prosperity through accelerated improvement to a road network Spark program, a promise kept by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who assured the public that work would begin before the end of 2024.
We intend to start rapidly right across the island. So though we're starting here today, other constituencies and other communities can expect within short order they will see a mobilization of work assets in their areas for the roads for which they have expressed the interest in seeing those roads rehabilitated.
The work in Harbour Heights is expected to last for about 8 weeks. It forms part of the first element of the $40 billion Spark program, which will focus on community roads. In explaining why the road was selected for the first phase, this is what Prime Minister Andrew Holness had to say.
The roads that we're going to be repairing first are the roads that, first of all, require the least intervention, meaning that there are some roads that will require massive retaining walls, will require the laying of pipes, big water mains.
Land acquisition. We
may have to acquire land. And so those things elongate the process. And if we were to take a road that requires all of that, then we probably won't start until another year.
But there have been mounting concerns about main roads like Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew, which many people believe should have been a priority. In fact, this stretch of road has been like this for months now. So we asked the authorities for an update.
There is a plan to fix Spanish Town Road. It's not going to be done in this budget year because it's going to cost about $60 million US. But in the meantime, we also have a plan to do some rehabilitation on sections of the road. We already started a few months ago, but we started down by the section where Rear Neville is. We need to do some work between 6 Mile and Darling Street. And we're going to have to work with the NWC with that because we have some sewage issues down there that we have to work on as well.
And in the short term,
between January and March, we'll be doing a lot of work on Spanish Town Road in terms of some, digging it up and sheeting it over. And for the next budget year, we're planning to do some major work on the road as well.
And the second element of the Spark program will focus on main roads. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.